I am very tired today.
Yes, I had a long night.
We need a strong coffee.
Let's go to the new shop.
Is it the one downtown?
Yes, near the bookstore.
I need a big espresso.
A double shot latte.
Yes, to wake us up.
Good idea. What do you want?
I want a chocolate croissant.
Freshly baked.
Yes, warm and flaky.
Okay, let's get breakfast.
Do you have your glasses?
Yes, on my desk.
I have my wallet.
Did you check the weather?
Yes, it is sunny.
Great, let's head out.
Close the door, please.
Wait, where is my phone?
You were using it, right?
No, I don't remember.
Oh no, I don't see it.
It is on the charger.
Not here. Check the sofa.
Under the cushion, too.
Are you serious?
No, I am annoyed.
Check your backpack.
Nothing inside.
Did you leave it out?
I had it just now.
Think slowly.
I checked the news, and then I went to the kitchen.
Maybe on the counter.
Let me look.
No, the counter is clear.
This is frustrating.
Don't panic. We will find it.
Let's look again.
I check the shelves.
I checked the cabinets.
The shelf is dusty. Books, papers, maps, but no phone.
I opened the spice rack.
Did you find it?
I found a pen and some bills.
Keep searching.
Maybe in the fruit bowl.
Which fruit bowl?
The small wooden one.
I will look there.
I found the TV remote.
You found it.
Wait, look closer.
What is wrong?
This is not my phone.
Let me see.
It is too heavy.
This is the old house phone.
Oh, you are right.
Try the laundry room.
Why the laundry room?
You changed clothes.
Yes, I did.
Maybe on the washing machine.
Let's look.
Look behind the basket.
Nothing there.
Check the detergent box.
Only soap and brushes.
Check the shoe rack.
The shoe rack? Are you joking?
You are distracted. Maybe you put it in.
That is ridiculous.
Okay. We searched everywhere.
This is very strange.
Did a mouse take it?
Don't be silly.
I give up. It is gone.
It's okay. We cannot go get coffee.
Wait, use your old phone.
My old phone?
Yes, you keep it for backup.
Great idea. Where is it?
In your desk drawer.
Get it, please.
One moment. Papers, clips, batteries.
Where is the phone?
That is impossible.
What is impossible?
It is not here.
What do you mean? The drawer is empty.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Oh no, we are disconnected.
We are not disconnected. We have a landline.
But we cannot order coffee.
How many phones do we have?
2 cell phones, 1 landline.
Where is the spare cell phone?
I sold it last month.
So we only have one, I think.
So, wait, I recall something.
What?
This morning, I got a call.
You got a call?
Yes, from the school.
Where were you standing?
Near the window on the cushion.
Check it.
Here is the cushion.
Do you feel it?
Here is the phone.
Thank goodness. Let's go for coffee.
We only found one phone.
So what now?
We should not go.
Why? We have a phone.
It is too risky.
Risky?
If we lose this one, we are completely out.
You are right. We need a backup plan.
What is the plan?
to the electronics store to buy a new spare phone.
Yes, 2 spare phones or maybe 3.
And we need phone cases, strong cases.
Very strong, very bright with wrist straps so we never drop them.
I agree. Let's go.
Okay, I'll put on my jacket.
Putting on my shoes.
Wait, what is that sound?
What happened?
That ringing noise.
Take off your shoe quickly.
Look, my phone.
It was in your shoe.
It fell inside. I cannot believe it.
So we have 2 phones.
Do we still go to the electronics store?
Yes, to buy a spare.
We don't need to.
No, we should go.
Why? We found them.
Because we are disorganized and very forgetful. We need a second spare phone.
You are right. Let's go, dear.